Hi everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are among these beautiful lush hills. Spring has arrived and we are surrounded by green. Ideal to show you today's property. Today's property is a majestic villa with about 1,000 square meters of internal spaces, 2 swimming pools, and everything is set right in front of this gorgeous view. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property was built in 2009 and some impressive works have been carried out, not only to build the main villa and the guest house, but also to create all of these beautiful terraces on the slope of the hill. The property is also equipped with a photovoltaic and solar panel system amounting to a total of 10 kilowatts. Externally, the property covers 1 hectare of land, so about 2.5 acres. In terms of distance to cities and airports, the villa is 10 minutes away from the closest town with services, 15 minutes to Rufina, and about 30 minutes to Fiesole and Pontassieve. Florence and its airport are about 40 minutes away, and the airport of Pisa just over an hour and a half away. As we access the property through its main gate, we straight away arrive to its large parking area that you see right behind me. And then as we keep going, we find ourselves enclosed in this enchanted outdoor space, characterized by these beautiful green gardens, travertine marble terraces, and several refined details. There are 2 separate buildings, the main large villa and the smaller guest house, which is actually very large as well and could be considered a villa by itself. They are close by, they're communicating, but at the same time they have their own independent accesses, giving them their own privacy and their own 2 gorgeous swimming pools. Let's keep going walking along the external space of the villa and we find this majestic swimming pool. It is 12 by 7 meters, mostly dedicated to the main house, and right now it is covered, but I will show you some beautiful pictures of what it looks like when it is uncovered. It is completely paved by gorgeous travertino marble and it has an infinity edge right in front of this gorgeous infinity view. Let's now start by seeing the internal spaces of the main villa. It is laid on 3 levels, 755 square meters, which is about 8,120 square feet. It has 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. This is the main entrance hall and it's majestic with this beautiful staircase made out of travertino marble. From here, the house is split into 2. Let's first see the part on my left. Let's start with this gorgeous living space. It is very grand and full of details. Full as well of natural light thanks to all of these windows. On this side they also let us access straight onto the garden and of course they give us this beautiful view. The floor on this room, but just like on most of the rooms of the houses, is covered with this gorgeous walnut tree parquet floor. They are all underfloor heated and the house is also cooled and heated by fan coils. In this room we as well find this beautiful travertine marble fireplace, which is actually turned on right now, very cozy. And in the room beside this one, there is another smaller and still very cozy sitting space with marble floors and a little kitchenette, perfect to make a coffee. The villa is very large and the owners only live in half of it. The other half and the guest house are rented out regularly to guests, and for that reason the property has been a little bit adjusted to that. In fact, on this floor there are two kitchens, a big one we're about to see and a smaller one over here, right beside the sitting area we've just seen. There is a kitchen and a little bathroom right beside. As we keep going, I would like to show you how in the past, when the property was used as a single unit, this was opened. Now there is just plaster and it can be easily reopened to create a seamless living area between the left and right side of the villa. We then find the steps that go downstairs to a very impressive, huge tavern I will show you later. In the middle we have some wardrobe spaces on the sides, whilst in the end there is this beautiful brand new elevator connecting the 3 levels of the villa. On this side we get to the dining and kitchen area. The kitchen is really large, fully equipped and very impressive. Over here we have the fridge, the stove. This is a beautiful travertine marble top, matching all of the details around the house. And here you can notice how there is the direct access onto the outdoor loggia for alfresco dining and living, right beside and right in front of the swimming pool and the view. I will now quickly show you also the dining space, which is on my right over here. It is very beautiful and full of natural light. It has as well its working fireplace, travertine as well, everything is matching. And these 2 big doors and a third over there, all accessing the outdoor areas. The first floor is where we find most of the bedrooms of this house. They are 4 and each one has its ensuite bathroom. There are 2 on this side, travertine marble details, gorgeous parquet floors. The larger bedroom also has windows overlooking the hills and access to a large private terrace. The other side of the floor is quite similar, quite symmetrical. So we have this hallway at the beginning, which leads on the front to the first bedroom, very large and beautiful, with access onto the terrace, its ensuite bathroom and its walk-in wardrobe. Whilst on the right we get over here to the other bedroom, which is actually the master. It as well has the access to the same terrace we've seen with the first bedroom. Very beautiful, walnut parquet floors, full of light. And over here we have first an office space right here. Then in the end, we find the large bathroom with this beautiful open shower with travertine details. We are now inside the impressive tavern of the property. We are on the lowest level and it can be accessed through either the elevator we've took, the internal staircase, the garage, or on this side there is an access which goes down with some steps from the poolside area. This area is ideal to organize parties, family dinners, and anyways host a lot of people. It has this beautiful, fully equipped stainless steel and brass kitchen with this gorgeous large island/bar area over here. Then, as we keep going, we find this beautiful fireplace at the center of the tavern, making everything much cozier when turned on. And over here we have what could be easily considered a professional pizza oven station with this travertine marble over here, the oven. There is a sink as well. This space could be easily turned into a restaurant. This floor is not finished yet. It keeps going on this side with a very large bathroom over here, very beautiful with marble details, with also a shower. Over here we find the understair space, which has been optimized and used as a storage. Then the bathroom I've just told you about is connected to a bedroom with also a little spa. There is a sauna, there is a jacuzzi. And then over here we find another room used as a laundry. Beside, another little double bedroom. This is the 6th bedroom of the house. And in the end, we find a large garage space of the property. It can host, I would say, about up to 2 cars, and the opening in the end is automatic. It's now time to see the guest house. As I said, it is very large and beautiful, and it can be considered a villa on its own. It has its very own private space with this beautiful stone terrace overlooking the green, which then keeps going. The marble starts and it leads us to the gorgeous swimming pool. It is 11 meters by 5.5, as well covered in marble on the inside. It is infinity edge overlooking these beautiful hills. As I said earlier, this property has its very own access with its gate and its parking area, and is laid on 3 levels. Let's go inside. This guest house is really cozy. It is 190 square meters, so about 2,000 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. As I said, laid on 3 levels, and for that reason, there are also 2 apartments. This is the first one. There is one on the lower level, and they have independent accesses, which makes them very suitable to be rented out to even 2 separate families. Here we find more of a traditional floor. In fact, there is terracotta. And in terms of layout, as we walk inside, we have the sitting area with TV over there, the dining space. In the end, we have the kitchen. Through these steps, we go to the upper and lower levels. And through this door, we get to the bedrooms. The first is over here with direct access onto the terrace with the pool. Right behind me, we have the bathroom covered with marble and with its own shower. And over here we have the second bedroom of this floor. Through these steps we go to the bedroom upstairs that also has its little terrace. This is the last unit of the property. We are on the lowest level of the guest house. It has some beautiful marble floors. In terms of layout, we have the dining space over here, the kitchen in the end, whilst on the other side we notice the stone fireplace, which is working, the sitting area, the office in the end, all of these outdoor accesses, whilst on this side we get to the bedroom of the apartment and to the bathroom with shower. We've now gotten to the end of today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this majestic home, and please let me know if you ever come to Tuscany. I would be glad to show it to you personally. Please, before I leave you, subscribe to our channel to see every week the best homes of Italy. I will see you soon. Until next time, ciao.